In this lecture, we're going to show how to use mirror components in assembly. So here we have this assembly. And here we have those two cylinders, 1 and 2. And now only we have those two cylinders in this hole here, but we want to put those two cylinders in this hole here and those two holes here. So we can do this by inserting those two components again and defining their relations. Or we can use a mirror components tool. So let's go here to the assembly tab, and here we have linear component pattern. So let's click on this arrow here and let's choose here mirror components. So first we have to define mirror plane. So let's go here and let's find here assembly plane, and we're gonna use front plane like this. And now we have to choose here components to mirror. You can select here on the tree, or you can just come here and you can select this one and this one. And now just click OK. And now we have here the same two cylinders. As well, we can mirror those two cylinders to the other side. So we can go here, let's go to mirror components again. Now let's choose here, let's go with right plane, like this. And now we have those four components here, and I'll just click OK. And this is it. This is what we got. So instead of inserting again those two cylinders, we can use mirror components.